predictive performance optimization, machine learning algorithms, connected things, remote monitoring and control, real-time yield optimization. What once seemed futuristic is now the norm across manufacturing. This is Manufacturing 4.0, a convergence of automation, cloud, cyber-physical systems, algorithms, and data exchange. In this short video, we'll give you a brief overview of these emerging technologies and what you can do to stay ahead of the curve. Let's start with 6 critical issues that manufacturers face as they transition to this exciting and rewarding new reality. First, factories of the future. These IP-enabled factories replace complex integrations with smarter, faster, simpler plug-and-play systems. Second, transformative technologies. Big data, shop floor analytics, self-learning, connected machines, and 3D printing improve operations and profitability. Third, collaboration. In order to create next-generation products, companies must integrate and collaborate across the value chain: employees, partners, suppliers, and customers. Fourth, cybersecurity. Every connected asset or device is a point of vulnerability. Companies must adopt a multi-layered cyber defense strategy to protect people, process, assets, and IP. Fifth, next-gen leadership. Manufacturing 4.0 requires executives and their teams to be bold, test uncharted waters, and to create and develop new areas of growth and profitability. Sixth, changing workforce. Leadership will need to identify, attract, and develop the next generation of workers whose skills, technology expectations, and working models are vastly different than the existing workforce. Compounded with the aforementioned challenges, the manufacturing industry is shifting from a traditional layered architecture to an open, networked architecture. This new model allows you to interface with modern systems without the need for complex configurations and custom development. This shift is poised to have a massive impact on the future of system architectures. This is primarily driven by Manufacturing 4.0. However, the propensity to adopt M4.0 varies. While companies are challenged by Manufacturing 4.0, most are moving forward, convinced that adaptive transformation is the key to next-gen performance excellence. In a recent poll, 50% of businesses said 4.0 is significant, while 42% said it's a game changer, truly a new era. The remaining 8% said their model won't change or they are uncertain of how significant the impact will be. But revolutionizing an entire industry doesn't happen overnight. Currently, 50% of the market is still at the non-digitizer level. The cost of modernization and capital spending is a major constraint for these companies. Another 40% are what we have termed as selective digitizers. These companies have standardized on certain IT solutions, but the value chain is still siloed and fragmented. To move forward, these organizations need to build a stronger strategic vision with buy-in from internal stakeholders. The last 10% of companies are known as enterprise digitizers. These businesses have a strategic, connected enterprise perspective and possess highly valued digital infrastructure, analytics, and collaboration platforms. In Manufacturing 4.0, companies are providing digital solutions to position themselves as a trusted partner to their customers. Now that you've seen the importance of 4.0, how would you go about managing the challenge of change? We've created a simple 4-stage gate process to help you transform. Level 1 is the plant floor or process. Modernizing aging infrastructure on the shop floor is the first step to future-proofing your company. Level 2 is first-mile connectivity. This allows you to create inbound supply chains in sync with market demand and to ensure visibility and predictive performance. Secure last mile is Level 3. In order to meet mass customization requirements, manufacturers need to establish an open channel interface between the factory and points of sale. Integrated enterprises is Level 4. More and more, manufacturers are realizing the value of an end-to-end operation, with design, supply chain, production, and other services weaved into one digital tapestry. As transformation disrupts, collapses, and transforms industry structures, a layered model of manufacturing gives way for companies to shift from selling products to selling performance. Transitioning to M 4.0 is a journey and requires bold moves, calculated decisions, and C-suite support. However, we have seen the emergence of negative latency enterprises. These are companies which have transformed their operations to become more agile and responsive, allowing them to operate in the future today. To get an in-depth understanding of the critical issues, pitfalls to avoid, and plan your journey to transformation, download a copy of the Manufacturing 4.0 Playbook for navigating the journey to IT modernization and transformation at nttdataservices.com/M40 Playbook.